Sound of a train not running, keeping me awake. Westmoreland mine ain't run much coal since back in '88. I got on at the sawmill, but I got to find a better way. Oh, the sound of a train not running is gonna carry me away. And every time you look at me, Mary, I want to tell you someday we'll leave the sound of a train not running 1,000 miles away. I don't want to risk my freedom growing crops on government land. It'd be a damn sight better than a government check in my hand. I used to bring on good money, used to drive a decent car, but now we go to town on Saturday. It seems a little too far. Every time you look at me, Mary, I want to tell you someday we'll leave the sound of a train not running 1,000 miles away. Some nights when our baby cries, I feel the twinge of fear. When the sound of a train not running is the only thing I hear. And every time you look at me, Mary, want to tell you someday we'll leave the sound of a train not running 1,000 miles away. And every time you look at me, Mary, I want to tell you someday we'll leave the sound of a train not running 1,000 miles away.